What's up guys, today I'm going to do another massive gadgets unboxings for my YouTube channel. The reason I order all this stuff, first of all, a lot of this stuff I want for myself, and second, I think it's cool for the videos. Check this out, this is a vintage, looks like a pistol lighter. So I have a whole collection now of lighters. I figured why not build them up since they are so popular. I have no idea what is this. Foldable bottle. Oh, there you go, looks like a baseball. I think I remember now. I'm doing like funny foldable bottles again. Looks like we're going to put to the test a lot of knives. By the way, I'm expecting a lot of very high-end knives. I have a little bit of a collection, so I figured you guys like them so much, I'm gonna do a lot more. Like this is. You know what knife is this? It's, how does it pronounce? Spider core? I'm not really sure, but yeah, I'm gonna put to the test a lot of knives like that. That was my first spider core knife ever, but I'm gonna have a lot of them. Ooh, check this out. There's more knives right here. No, this is lighters. Let me open this real quick. Yep, those are cheap lighters. I'm gonna put to the test a lot of lighters. You see another weird lighter over here. This one newer ones, so I'll be mixing it up with new ones and the vintage ones. I like vintage ones a little bit more, but these ones are pretty unique. That's what I had to order. And there is one more. I'm not gonna show it to you. Looks like this is CRKT, and it's going to be probably Ox. Yep. So I'm not gonna open it up now because I have a lot of them. I'm just trying to open up everything that I get for my YouTube channel. I figure I'll film it. I've done a couple of videos before, you guys really liked it. Oh my gosh, this is like a little lot of lighters I think I got. I think I didn't even pay that much, and look how many of them. Such a weird and unique lighters in there. So this is novelty lighters. I'll let you put that one to the test. And the coolest part is there is some vintage ones. This is the best way to buy lighters, is like this. So this is pretty cool. Don't know how to turn it on yet, don't want to break it. Little dog over here. Couple more lighters, plier lighters. Ooh, look at that. A ruler lighter. So I have a whole collection of novelty lighters. Okay, what's in here? I better get a knife. What is that? I didn't order that. Some kind of pink, I don't know. What is this? Color direct reflector matte. I didn't order that. Sometimes when you order too much, they start sending you stuff by mistake. The Amazon anyways. Okay, I have all boys, so I don't need a pink color. Ooh, look at that. Vintage lighters. Ooh, it sparks too. It's a boot. Beautiful. I just need. Ooh, this doesn't need gas. It needs one of those butane. Awesome. Okay, gotta open this carefully, not to damage the box inside of it. Yeah, that's what I do once in a while. I have to open up all these boxes. It's fun. I enjoy it a lot, so might as well show it to you. More novelty lighters. Revolver over here, and it looks like full size. Don't have anything like that. By the way guys, last video 27 pounds of TSA knives did really good. I love the packaging that they made, so I figured why not do this again. Last time it went viral. I got like mixed reviews. A lot of people said that I missed a lot of good brand names, and I actually did, but they were all like very low quality and all beat up and needed a lot of cleaning. So we'll see if we'll get something good name brands with a clean knife and stuff. What is that? Okay, from what I see, this is some kind of survival kit that I bought on eBay. That's why it took me a while to figure it out what it is. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing a lot of survival kits, and one of them will be very expensive. Look at that, another very collectible knife, and very expensive knives. Those knives over $100, all of them. A lot of them I have paid over $150 to $200 per knife. So I get these weird obsessions because of YouTube. And look, another knife. You guys have to wait and see what kind of knives I got. This is Spyderco. Hopefully I pronounce it right. I'll look it up how to pronounce it. Ooh, yeah, I ordered like $1,000 worth of Garbo knives. Very popular brand also. This stuff I got on Amazon, but you know what? I noticed buying it from eBay is actually just as fast shipping, and prices are very competitive. So I noticed from eBay just as good. Gonna be doing a lot of hatchets. Okay. Few more boxes on this side. I'm not gonna open them all today, just because there's so much. Oh no, peanuts. Those things are so messy. It's okay, I'll just have to sweep it out because it's just gonna make a mess anyway. I don't know, what is this? I didn't order this. Anyways, what else I have here? Ooh, sounds really heavy. That's a beautiful box right here. Box inside of a box inside of the box. And you know what? I know what it is. This is a bunch of silver coins. I think I paid like $2,000 for lots of silver coins. I wanted to see how much can you get silver coins for $2,000. A lot of people ask this kind of question, so I figured why not make a video of that. More peanuts. Couple more knives. Burning. People like this kind of burn, so and to make everybody happy, but at the same time build up a collection. This is sporting goods on the box, but probably from eBay. Nope. I got this crossbow, another crossbow like arrow shooter with it that shoots with the CO2 tanks like that. It's weird. Look, one is loose. We'll see how well it works. Okay, a couple more boxes on this side. I'll be done over here. Ooh, this is something very good. That thing cost $1,800. Can you guess what it is? Well, you'll have to wait till the video. I'm gonna do an unboxing of it. Gonna put it back in the box. Yeah, that's probably most products and gadgets and cool stuff that I ever got. Definitely the most knives. I'm expecting a lot of knives. What is this right here? Okay. I feel like I didn't even order half of this stuff or something. When you buy stuff from eBay, oh, there you go. I think this is another TSA confiscated knives, but maybe more expensive. I'm gonna put it back in a box so that way I know which one, how much I have paid for that. So I don't wanna unbox them because I don't wanna miss the surprise for it, because it's like a mystery box. What's here? Wow. There's so much stuff in here. This is a bunch of lighters. I feel like this is super vintage lighters. That's why they up them up so much and they're like pretty expensive. Maybe. I don't know. Yep. Wow, look at that. I'll just show you one And because it's such a big unboxing, I'm not gonna make this video 2 hours, you know. I'll make a separate video of it. But I'll show you a quick. You see, this is elephant lighter. The task is broken off, that's kinda sad. But there you go, there's a lighter. And there's no, what do you call it, spinner inside of it. So I have to fix some of them, refurbish them. But yeah, there is a whole bunch of different kinds. Like that. That was my knife. Another box over here, little one. You can imagine, because I'm buying so much stuff, I forget what I got. So it's a Christmas. Cool, another lighter, and it's looks like a camera. So I'm gonna be doing novelty vintage lighters, because there's a lot of novelty lighters they make that is not very old, but they have made a lot of them that is really old. Okay, what is this? Some kind of knife over here, multi-tool maybe? Oh yeah, this right here, super unique multi-tool. You see how it's unfolded like a hammer multi-tool, one of a kind, vintage. I don't even see them make it anymore, so I figured I'll buy it, show it to you guys, because it's pretty unique. It says Canon on it, but I doubt it. What is that? From eBay, you never know what they're going to give you inside of this packaging. I love how eBay packages their stuff. Always something different. Oh wow, more novelty lighters, except huge ones, like a real size. You know what, when I was buying it, pictures don't give it justice. Because I'm just going through and buying everything. Wow, look at that, sniper rifle, bolt action, a lighter. I don't even look at the dimension, because I just like, that looks cool. I'm gonna put it to the test in the video and go to the next one. And wow, I'm so glad I got them. That is so cool. They're a shotgun lighter. Obviously they will have no lighter fluid inside of them. Gosh, this one got up top. Oh, nice. I'm so glad I bought this. I had no idea they're gonna be that big. Looks like a real multi-tool and stuff. I mean, actual tool. Well packaged. I'm not complaining. I don't want it to break. It seems to be a little bit fragile anyways. Wow. I mean, you expect for it to be this big, maybe this long and skinny. Look how big that is. That is cool. You don't even know this thing existed. But yeah guys, this video way longer than 15 minutes, so I'm gonna take a break. See you guys in the next video.